Let's take a look at valuing the whole person. Recognizing and valuing a person as a whole person means three things. Often, a person who's been in a job for any length of time can become typecast by a professional category as an accountant, a marketing person, a receptionist, a manufacturing line employee, and so on. Consequently, work assignments and problems are brought to that person in accordance with people's existing labels for them and assumptions about professional knowledge and interest. People also want variety, or perhaps may be interested in a career change, and organizations can structure opportunities to recognize organizational members' multiple interests and skills. It's also true that most people desire to make and are capable of making a higher level of contribution to the attainment of organizational goals than most organizational environments will permit. Organizations can provide support for learning, growth, and development that recognizes that people can make contributions beyond those for which they were originally hired. Second, recognizing organizational members as whole people respects their feelings as people. They may be enthusiastic about a recent success and deserve recognition, or they may be concerned about new expectations or policy. Finally, respecting the whole person means acknowledging and recognizing diversity and the benefits that individual differences bring to an organization. Many organizational practices have historically ignored or silenced alternative voices. The result has been that ideas and contributions from members with rich backgrounds and experiences have frequently not been heard or included. Recognizing the diverse identities of organizational members implies valuing the unique contributions of all.